Hi guys, this is Garth Lunch, the Vaping Monkey here again. Today I have this fellow here. This is the Tugboat. This is the green splattered, the green one with the red splattered version over the top of it. I also have the plain matte black one as well. These are both identical, so there's no differentiation to them at all. Same decks, same drip tip, same outer body, and same bottoms. The difference is this one's got a silver 510, this has got a brass 510 as well. The serial codes are a bit different. This is 2746 and this is 2668. So that's the only difference between them guys, but the airflow on them's the same as well. So getting into this, I'm just going to screw it down on here. Take the top cap off, unscrew it again. So your deck is a 3-poster, so this being both your negative post and your positive in the middle. So this will take up to 2 coils as well. Working on the top cap, you have this black pre-insulated Delrin drip tip with an O-ring on it. It's a wide bore drip tip. On the actual cap itself, the in bit comes out the top. You have a single O-ring here and your configuration for your airflows. So this can be a single or dual coil guys. The barrel on the inside is all nice and clean, no problems, and your airflow is here and here. As I said guys, this can be run in single or dual coil. So putting that back together, so there's your top cap. So now we come to the deck itself. This has Phillips head screws as well guys, so they are closed at the moment, so I'll just go and open them up. That is them all open now, I think. Yep, they're all open now. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to put a wee single coil jammy in just now. So I just put my first leg in the outside post, and then my other leg go in the middle. Or maybe not, because this coil's too big. Well, what I'll do is then I'm going to take a coil I have lying here. This is a stainless steel L316 coil, wrapped around a 2.5mm bit, I think it is. So just pop the first one in, and I'm going to screw down this outer post here first. I do apologise if my hand or screwdriver gets in the road. In fact, I might just do this off camera slightly. So there's the first one. No, it's not, because it never took the leg for some funny reason. Just unscrew that again. Don't know why it didn't take the leg in. Should do this time though. I'm just going to move it off camera guys, because my hand is in the way.